Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you are great at home. As you know that the quarantine time is not going to be over, as we have expected that it would be over soon. But hope for the best that it would be over soon, and Allah Almighty bless us with sound and healthy lifestyle. So stay home, stay safe. My dear family, I was unable to record few videos. I couldn't manage it just because of some family issues. So now onward, I'll make sure that I will give you the interesting, more fun oriented videos for your child, and you will enjoy it at a lot. Let me show you that today I have arranged my table with little bit things. That let me show you that thing. You can see that these are the things that we can use in our practices, in our while we using the math sums, while we are solving the math sums, we can use these things. Can you see these are the buttons you can use as the beans, you can use as the counters. These are the things that we use to play carom board, and everyone, maybe most of the houses, they have these things. So these are the, as you can see, that these are the 10 frame, and after that this one is a place value grid, and these are the popsicles. You can see that these are the colorful, that will increase the interest of the child, that they will play, they will love to play. So I have a whiteboard as well, so I will use the markers for today's video. So in today's video, without wasting a time, let's start. That the topic that we are going to discuss is today, the topic I have one more board. So the topic I'm going to write over here. So my dears, the topic is division. As you know that the division is very interesting topic. Whenever the parents say to their child that do it divide, they will write here 25 divided by 5. Now do it, and do it like this way, 25 divided by 5. No, not at all. No, we are not going to do it like this way. Let me tell you, we will do it with these things. We will make it interesting. How can we do it? How the division is interesting. How can we divide it? Let me tell you, before going to start, I will start with the examples. As you can see, multiplication, division is a opposite operation of multiplication. Division is the opposite operation of multiplication. As you know that in division, whenever we are going to use in division in multiplication, we have, whenever we are going to multiply, means that we have to multiply how many times we are going to multiply, that will increase the amount of the thing. But in division, this is the sign of the division. Okay, it would be confusing if I will place this bracket. Okay, this is the sign of the division. Whenever we are going to multiply anything, then it will increase the amount of the thing. But whenever we are going to divide anything, then it will decreases the amount of the thing. It will decrease the amount. For example, let me give you an example. I have a pizza. Let me create a pizza. I hope so this would be a pizza. So consider it like a pizza. So it's a pizza. If I am going to eat it by my own, so I can get it whole. What I will get it whole. But if I will invite my 2 friends and I am going to divide with them, these pizza I have to divide it. I do it in half, equal parts. I do it in half. One person, one friend is have it, and the second will have it. Okay. Now I have divided into 2 parts, and they got big pieces. That only 2. I have divided it only 2. Now the same pizza, I have one more pizza, and I have invited my 4 friends. So how can I divide it into equal parts? First I have to do it half. Okay, I'm dividing it. Okay, then I will make it again half. It's again the same pizza. Topping is at the end. Okay, now you can see that this one part the each person will get, and over here this one part the one person will get. It is more or it is more. if this one is more, this one is more than this. It means whenever we are going to divide anything, it will decreases the amount. As we have to divide into more parts, it will decreases the amount of one single thing more. For example, I have taken this one portion is more than this one. If we divide into 4 parts, then one person will get the less amount of the pizza. So this is the example. As you know that if I am going to divide the same pizza into 10 persons, so each person will get how many pizza each person will get? Each person will get 1/10 part of the pizza. So one side is 1/10 part and the second side is half. Which got more? The first one. It means that whenever we are going to divide anything, then it will decreases the amount. Let me give you one more example. If I have 5 candies and I have to give to one person, let me do it in that. Okay, 5 candies, I have to divide it to one person, that the whole 5 candies he will take it. Now I have to divide the same 5 candies into 2 persons. So how many each person will get? First I have given the 1, then 2, then 3, it would be 6. So what I will do it? I will do the fifth one, I will do it half, and they both will got the equal parts of the candies. So in this way we will do the division. Now using these counters, can you see that these are the counters? We can use these counters while solving the division. Instead of using the written short method, we can use these things for you people. This thing is for your children, that it will create the interest of the child. They will enjoy the activity. What is the basic purpose of our education? They came to know that how can we learn. We have to create the interest of the child. We have to create the interest of the child. As you know that the most of the students, they forget they don't want to do maths. But believe you me, whenever they are going to use these type of the activities, this type of the material, it will create their interest. So without wasting our time, let me write few things on the board. First I am going to clean it, so you know that so it's done. Now I am going to write a question. That first we will start with the shortest number. This is 4 divided by 2. How can we read it? 4 divided by 2. This is the sign of a division. Don't forget it. It's not minus and dots. It's a division sign. Okay. So division 4 divided by 2. How can we divide 4 into 2's? It means that you have to divide 4 into 2%. For example, I will take that 4 into 2 parts. For example, I have these. Can you see? These are the buttons 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let me take the blue one. Okay, these are the 4 buttons. Okay, I am going to divide into 2 groups. It means that 2 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. These are the equal groups that I have divided it. So what would be the answer? Answer is, how many each group have? 2. So this is your answer. Very good. Excellent. Now let's do it the bigger amount. I have written here 14. Division sign. And here is again 2. Okay. Now we have total number of 14 numbers we have. Total 14 numbers we have, and we have to divide into 2 parts. Equal 2 parts. I am repeating it, equal 2 parts. Okay, there should be no remaining in division. In this division, should be no remaining. Now I am going to take these counters. As you can see, it's looking very good. Okay, I am going to take it. How many? I have to take it 14. Okay, let me write that groups, how many groups I have to be. Let me take the other board. Okay. Okay, now I have written here one first group and there is second group. Okay, the first group and the second group, the total counters I needed, that would be 14. Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 8 9. Now I'm taking the white one. 9 and 10. These are 10 ones. Okay, 1 2 3 4. These are 14 now. Okay, let's calculate again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So I am going to divide into equal two parts, because we are going to divide two parts, because we 14 divided by 2. So I have written 1 1 1 1 1 1. Same number we have to do it. Okay, I have placed one counter here, I have placed one counter here, again one here, again one here, then this one, then this one, the last one, the last one. Now let's count that how many counters each group have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Wow. Now look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what would be your answer? Yes, you are thinking absolutely your answer is correct. The answer is 7. Now let's start that. I'm going to take again the same things. 14 would be here, but this number I'm going to change it. 14 divided by 7. Okay, what would be the answer? Any guesses? Yes, you can tell me. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to take it off. Okay, these are the 17 over here. How many groups we needed? 7. We have to divide these 14 counters into equal 7 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Don't judge my handwriting, it's not as bad as it's looking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now again 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Let me do it a little bit, that there should be a difference that they are. Now these are the groups. Can you see? I'll make a group. This is a group, this is a group, this is a group. Now see that, look at this, that each group has the same number of counters, and I have divided into 7 parts. So how many each group have? 2. Exactly, it's 2. Answer would be 2. So my dears, I hope this is very interesting and enjoyable activity. So in this way, whenever you are going to start, give them the practice of your child like this way. Not give them that 14 divided by 7. Yes, tell me 14 divided by 7, what would be the answer? No, my dears, they will feel very difficult. So this will help you to do it. Okay, so first I have written the questions, then I have used the counters, I have used this material, I have solved it, then I have written the answers. Okay, in the same way you can give them more and more practice. If you have any query, if you have any problem, you can ask me. You are free to ask. You can comment below. I am here for you. Do remember me in your prayers, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do you know that if you want to see me, that I will bring this type of the content. As you know that nowadays that there is so many social medias full of different things, that they are doing this that and that. This is the actual thing that which is beneficial for you, for your kid, and it would be improve the condition of your child. Okay, so I am going to say it's time to say goodbye to you. So before going to, if you are a new at my channel, so what you are going to do it, you have to just for a second you have to subscribe it, press that subscribe button, press, if you like it then thumbs up. Okay, and if you have any suggestion then you are free to give me any suggestion. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.